So what you were asking was, what is the best way to machine this sprue access? Yeah. Okay. It actually turned out to be pretty easy to do. And let me just show you the quick way of doing it. You probably would have done it this way. I just did a standard drill just to get some access to this hole. And then I did a deep drill all the way through to get rid of most of the material. And then I did a 2 horizontal finishing, okay, using a 1/8 ball. I don't think you had this tool set. You're gonna have to check your tool library to see if you have that, but I'm not sure if that's your tool or what I created. But it's a 1/8 inch ball, and let's check the finishing cut parameters. Okay, we're leaving 10 thousandths of stock at 0.0, 50 thousandths deep cut levels, and all these you can adjust to whatever suits your needs. But what you'll find here is, let's see this one. Okay, so we did one with 10 thousandths, and then we did another to finish it off. So let's just run a quick simulation here. Turn the part off and turn the toolpath off and do a quick simulate until. So there, you see it roughed out with some stock, and now it's going over and doing a finishing pass. So it's just a basic horizontal finishing, just with a deep drill through hole to get in there.
Now, I did do a tech drill to get the hole
Yep.
down.
Yep. Yep. You can.
It was after that I was running into problems trying to get something that I was comfortable with.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm used to NX, and I would have run a spiral cut with my cuts going up and down in Z,
Mm-hmm.
made its way around.
The only thing bad about that is that you can't fit arcs to that spiral motion, so you're just getting gazillion little linear segments. Okay, and what that does, it makes the tool program very long, and to get now in this part, the accuracy is not a big deal, but if it was, you would have had to tighten up the tolerance, which means the tool path would be the tool program would be very, very large. What I'm doing here is horizontal finishing where I can fit arcs. So what you're getting is you're getting an arc, a true arc at each level.
Yeah.
You follow me? So it's a very, the length of the code for this versus the spiral will probably be 1/20th of the size of the G code. And it's going to be more accurate because you're going to be outputting an arc rather than linear segments.
Okay.
Does that make sense?